How to delete Snapchat public profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Snapchat public profile. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile page, what you can do is just tap on the public profile button. And now here, once you are inside your public profile button, what you can do is just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the public profile settings, what you can do is simply scroll down to the bottom and there you'll see the option labeled as clear public profile. So simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on clear again. And once you do this, your public profile will be permanently removed and the other users will no longer be able to subscribe to it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.